Gabriel and
No Christian.
Gabriel and Rita.
No Gabriel. Who's Rita?
Rita is Christian's mother.
That's right. That's true.
That's right.
And his dad?
Gabriel.
No.
No, that's his name.
His dad.
Yeah, it's Gabriel.
Christian's dad?
Yeah.
No, it's John. Jon. John Proctor.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Do you know? And he has a brother and a sister.
So how come you named the kid Gabriel? I thought he was named after his father.
I didn't name anyone Gabriel.
Go on.
Go on. You've got a vivid imagination.
His father's name is John? Really?
Yeah.
John Proctor and Rita Proctor.
Yes.
And the baby's name is Gabriel?
There's no baby.
Gabriel Moore?
And there's no husband, and I haven't seen Christian in over 4 years.
Oh, go on.
Why would I make that up?
So,
Just to upset you?
No, the electricity demands it.
No, the electricity does not demand it.
Okay, that's now I'm able to stand this. I acknowledged and denied.
Oh, no. You like the idea that I am married with a baby. You like that. But you know I'm single and I live with you.
Okay, that's all. Can't stand any more than the baby nauseated. They got me depressed.
You're so dramatic.
I don't know, I feel like throwing